Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my June Ipsy and then Boxycharm box to share with y'all today. So they did send these to me, so thank you so much to them for sending this my way. So what I like to do in these videos is I have gone ahead and opened up this bag and the box and tried out the goodies inside. I'm wearing most of them right now, and then I can kind of like run through the different products and share some little mini reviews with y'all. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, favorites videos, new at the drugstore, get ready with me's, reviews, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about June Ipsy and Boxycharm, so let's get to it. Okay, so starting with my Ipsy bag, let's open this up. So there is one thing in here I have not tried, and it is this, which is the Nanette Lepore Luna Body Lotion. So I kind of opened it, not fully, but just, you know, like, even through the cap, I can smell it and tell that this is not a lotion that I don't like the scent of it. It's not bad, it's just kind of perfumey and almost like baby powder, kind of, but the perfumey side of like that powdery scent. I don't know how else to describe it, because I don't mind a baby powder scent, but this is more on the perfumey side, and I just didn't want to open it, you know, knowing that I probably wouldn't like the scent of it full on, just even smelling it through it. So didn't try that out full on, but I just kind of smelled it through the packaging. Okay, then the Philosophy Micro Delivery. I did try this out. Exfoliating Daily Facial Wash. I love the little, I've said this many, many times. I love cute little tiny products like this because they're great for travel. They're great to get to try them out, and I just love them. And they're cute too. So I tried this kind of on this part of my face because I was trying different products. And it's very exfoliating. It's got those little micro beads in it. It's kind of a gel sort of a cleanser, but it's got that really fine micro sort of exfoliating stuff in it to really, I mean, I feel like it did exfoliate well. I kind of have to be careful with physical exfoliators, especially on this cheek, because I have more broken capillaries, and that can kind of, you know, aggravate it a little bit. So sometimes, I mean, it depends. I just have to be more careful with it. So I kind of use it more over here on my forehead. So I tried it over here and I liked it. It seems nice. Okay, then I also got the Mark Anthony Repair Bond. Oh, I don't know what that says. Rescue Plex. Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment for dry, damaged hair. My hair is not dry and damaged. I mean, I use heat on it a lot, so I'm always looking to repair my hair. But my hair is not really dry. It's more kind of, I'd say normal, but very fine, for sure. It says reinforces hair from the inside out, hydrates, defrizzes, and softens. So I sprayed a little bit of this kind of around the like bottom half of my hair before I blow dried it. And I like it. It says it's clinically proven to rebuild and maintain damaged hair bonds, including, I don't know what that says. Anyway, it's a leave-in treatment, and I really like it. I like the scent of it, too. It smells good. I don't know how to describe it either, but it smells good. Like, kind of fresh and sort of perfumey, but like more on the fresh side. I like it. It smells good. Okay, next up, I got a two-sided eyeliner. So I was trying to read this brand name, and I think it's Formula X. And the two colors are Sky and Emerald. So I used Sky kind of mostly like to create my wing, and then I brought it over, and then I used a little bit of Emerald kind of on top of that, and then brought it over farther. So Emerald is kind of on the inner half of my lid. This is more on the outer half. This is nice. It's very nice and creamy and formula, and really nice and pigmented and bright. Like the blue is beautiful. It's this like electric blue, and I like the emerald too. I think this will be really pretty for kind of like a fall look, like a green fall look. These are beautiful, nice and creamy. They did not drag on my eyes at all, which I really like. I appreciate that. So it seems like a good formula. Nice and richly pigmented and nice and creamy and not too dry. Okay, and then last up in here, I got the Unfiltered Beauty Co. And it looks like this is a lip oil, and this is in the shade So Retro. I do have this on, but I have it on with a little bit of a lip liner, just kind of like a neutral lip liner. So I will swatch it for you. It's pretty looking. I like that you can see the product through the packaging. It smells good too. It's like a light vanilla cupcake sort of scent. I like the scent of it. It smells good. This is pretty much clear. It really kind of just looks clear. I mean, there's really not much tint to it at all. But it looks nice and hydrating on the lips. Feels great. It's got like a tiny bit of tackiness to it, but almost none. It's really more of that lip oil kind of texture to it. I like it. It feels good. It looks nice and glossy on the lips and seems really nice and hydrating. And I like the scent. It's good. Okay, so that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag. I would say overall, I like this. I'd say my standout favorites would be the lip oil and the hair product. I actually really like that. It didn't seem to, did I even say? It didn't seem to weigh my hair down, which I appreciated, and I like the scent of it. So this seems nice, and I think the eyeliner is good. This I won't really use because of the scent. This I will be kind of more careful with it, just because, like I said, I don't use physical exfoliators as much, but that one does seem like a good one. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Ipsy bag. Got my swatch removed. So now on to Boxycharm Box by Ipsy. So here is what it looks like. So first off, I got an oil, a face oil in here. This is by Clarity RX, and this is the Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Face Oil, Replenish and Restore. And I took a picture of the back of this so I could kind of share with you what sort of oils are in here. So it looks like there's a ton of different oils. Like there is coconut oil, Turkish rose oil, I think that's what that says. Squalene from sugarcane, jojoba oil, meadow foam, sunflower, marula, camellia, papaya, elderberry, borage seed oil, and like vitamin E, I think. So anyway, there's a ton of different oils in here. So I use this kind of on the bottom half of my face where I'm more on the dry side, and I really like this. If you're looking for just a really nice hydrating oil, this seems very nice. Has a dropper applicator. It is not an overly thick oil. It's kind of a little bit more liquidy, but feels nice and hydrating on the skin. So I am all about a good skincare oil, and this one really seems like a good one. It seems like it has a ton of different ones in it. Okay, then I got a little brush duo. This is pretty. This is really pretty. So of course I meant to use these and then I forgot. So I used the powder brush, just, oh, I'm throwing things, just a little bit, kind of to apply a little bit more powder to areas of my face, just so I could see, you know, try it out. And you can tell I used it because it's a little bit tinted. So this is the Farrah Blush and Powder Brush C350. This is beautiful. I love the iridescent packaging, like, you know, what is this called? Handle on it. So pretty, and this is very nice. This is soft, feels like nice quality, seems to be well made. It feels amazing on the skin. I really like this, and I like the kind of tulip shape of it. You can kind of get under your eyes and different areas of your face. This seems really nice, and I like that it came in this little, you know, brush protector. These are great for travel, so I like that too. And then this is the Blush and Contour C30 brush. So this is a little bit kind of smaller and more dense, but I like that it's a smaller brush. I do wish it was a little bit wider this way, but I think I'll like this for contour. And again, it feels very nice and soft, and just feels like a nice quality brush. So I like these. These seem very good. And this is the JLo Beauty That Hit Single Gel Cream Cleanser. So I tried this out last night. It says brighten, refine, and soothe. And that's really all it says. So I used this last night. This is nice because it starts out as more of a gel feeling cleanser. Oh, there's a nice little bubble in it. But then as you kind of like massage it in, and I added a little bit of water, it really kind of foams up a little bit, which I like. And it seemed to not be overly dry. It's kind of more on the creamy side, which I like. It does have a little bit of a scent to it, which I don't like. So I wish that it didn't have, it seems like it might have fragrance in it. It smells perfumey to me. Not over the top, just a little bit. But yeah, I mean, overall, it seems like a nice kind of gel cream sort of a cleanser. And then last up, a couple of makeup products. I always get so excited about makeup products. So first off, I'm going to show you the outside packaging because this is beautiful packaging on the inside, but it's very reflective. So I'm going to go ahead and show you like this, and then I'll open it up and show you. This is by Maquillage. I don't know how to say that. I've seen this brand name many times, but I don't know if I've actually heard, I'm sure I've heard somebody pronounce it, but I just don't remember. This is the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. And this is in Workaholic. Workaholic is the name of the quad. So, oh, and I'm going to have to, let's see, how can I show you this? Because there's a mirror there too. Oh, it's so reflective. So here it is. So it opens up like, you know, the top of it is right here. So it opens up that way. It just feels fancy and nice. This packaging seems very fancy. So I have these on my eyes right now. This is nice. The metallic one in here is my favorite. I like this formula the best because it is that thick sort of metallic formula that is very nice and pigmented. The matte shades, it's interesting. As I'm swatching them, they feel like a thicker formula too. But when I used it on my eyes, kind of performed more like a silky shadow. So I felt like I was kind of having to build them up a little bit. Not in a bad way, because they did build up nicely. But I feel like in a swatch, they look a little bit more intense and a little bit more like that thicker formula shadow. But on my eyes, I did kind of have to work with it like a silky shadow. But beautiful. I mean, the look came together really nicely. I like this little quad. Seems very nice and fancy, but again, this one right here is my favorite. So I have this on the inner corners of my eyes, on the inner half of my lid. It's just pretty. I like this color combo too. It's definitely one that I will reach for a lot. I love a good neutral eye quad. Then this is the Half Caked Double Dipper Color Duo. This is cute. And I love this packaging. This right here, just like, I don't know, this feels like 80s, 90s packaging or something to me, which I absolutely love. I think that's so cute and fun. So this is in Girls Tour. And this is what it looks like here. So I have the blush on and I have a little tiny bit of the highlighter, because the highlighter for me is more like a blush topper. It's a little bit deep for me to wear it as a full-on highlighter, but this is really pretty. Very nice formula. The blush was not difficult to work with at all. Pigmented, but not like, oh, we've got leftover swatches. Pigmented, but not too pigmented where it was difficult to work with. Just that like right in the middle, good formula that is buildable, blendable, pretty and flattering on the skin. This is good. I like this a lot. And I love this color. It's kind of like a brighter raspberry pink or something. And the highlighter is kind of more of a peachy golden shade. And I think these look pretty on the skin too. So I'm a fan. I really like this a lot. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Boxycharm box. So I would say, well, overall favorites, definitely the makeup products. I always get most excited about those. So I would say the makeup products and then probably the oil. Well, I like them. I mean, I don't dislike these. I like these too. But if I had to pick standout favorites, I think it would be these three products right here. So overall, really good box. If I had to choose between the two, which one's my favorite, I would probably say the Boxycharm box. But I do like things from both. So that wraps up this video. I hope it was really helpful for you. Please hit a thumbs up if it was. Let me know down below what you got in your Ipsy or Boxycharm box or what you're excited to get. I would love to hear that. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video.